What up, YouTube? Well, today is gonna be kind of a different format, I guess. I'm gonna be, reviewing, unboxing, and just kind of taking a look at this new thing I just got. I got a Cobra radar detector 480i. Laser detected, improves accuracy, intelligent detection, 2 times range, reduces false alerts, shares and receives live alerts on your phone. That's what it says. Updated software improves the performance of your Cobra driver alert system. And yeah, so basically we're gonna do a small little unboxing of this. I haven't opened it up, so this is gonna be like the first impressions of it. And yeah, let's see if this was a good investment from getting pulled over, ticketed for speeding. Because as you all know, we like to mod our cars and not to drive slow. You don't mod your car to drive slow all the time. Which, even though I drive like a grandma most of the time and baby my car, reason why it's been just, I don't know, overly reliable. There's some tape down here. That's making me, see, like I'm telling you, this format is a little different, so bear with me. But here's the box. A box in a box. Cobra instructions, I guess. Or mounting options. See different mounting options. So here it is. There's the little Cobra. And here is the actual radar detector itself. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's like size of your palm. And I don't have like freakishly huge hands. And then it has a mark button, dim button, a send button, I don't know what that means, mute, which is cool. I kind of wanted to see if it had a mute button, and a menu button. So you can see there. I don't know if it focuses. There you go. And there's radar, and then everything that tells you. And yeah, so that's the actual piece we'll be mounting. Let's see what else is in here. So here we got, just dropping it now. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. Here we got our little mounts, suction cups and stuff. Hopefully this works. Problems with suction cups is in Texas, it becomes like, it's like 70 degrees today, it can be 110 tomorrow, and then the summer just makes these come off real easy. I usually just like lick them like a nasty person I am, and just connect it back on. But yeah, that's that mountain. And then here, it is connected to your cigarette lighter. Just for anyone that wants to know, here it is, connected to the cigarette lighter, and then you connect it to the Viper itself, which I don't know how this is gonna, or I might have to put my charge if you charge your phone on that one. So you know, I don't know. Good thing I have 2 cigarette lighter ports in the glove, and then right in the middle by the radio. So this is where that's gonna go, and then in the glove is where I'm gonna put my charging cables for my phone, etc. And so that helps me out. Some cars don't have 2 or 3, cigarette lighter ports. So think about that if you're buying this. I think there's wireless ones too that don't need to be powered or connected by cable. I'm not too sure. This is my first radar detector, so I don't even know how this is gonna fully work or what it exactly does, other than you know, beep at you when they see a cop like having a radar gun out, or etc, etc. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm about to put this on here, kind of read the instructions, and we'll go out in the car, plug it in, and show you how that is. Okay, and then here's, like, you know, the mount I was talking about. Up front here, there's this small little slit. You just kind of put that in there, and then should just kind of click in, click out, I'm not sure. There you go. And then you just put it up on the windshield or whatever. I don't think this can get, you can kind of bend this a little. I don't know how much you can actually bend it to where it might snap right here, but we'll kind of see when we go to the car. So I have it up here. Someone was telling me having it up here has a better distance draw for the laser to pick up other, or the radar to pick up lasers, and you know, it might help a little more than putting it way down here. I'm not too sure if that's the case, but I kind of like it having it up here, because I can press all the buttons. I can dim it if I want. I can lower the volume, kind of without reaching too far down here to fuck with my, you know, to mess with it and stuff like that. And I just kind of put the wire over the rear view mirror, and yeah, it tells me if my battery's low, which is kind of cool. I can put it in mute, I can dim the brightness, I can turn off other stuff, radars, I guess. Like I said, this is my first radar detector, so I'm not sure what I'm talking about, but hey, look, it works. When you turn off the car, it turns it off. I'm a hotkey it. It's gonna say battery low because it's not actually started. I kind of noticed that. Testing. Car battery good. And yeah, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna test drive it out, and when I get like hits, I'll start recording and see if we can search for the cop anywhere and kind of go from there. But we'll see in a second. Okay, so it's beeping right now. I do see some lights over here. See what it does. Looks like a crash. I don't know what's going on. They're just doing construction. But as you can see, there's some construction going on. So one of the radar picked up on the construction guys. I don't know if it's the lights or what they're using, but it picked them up. There's cops, of course. I don't think they're on duty or anything like that, but it did pick it up from like about half a mile. This thing is going off, bro. It's going off. And look, what do I see? I see cops. So it's working. The radar's working, bro. It's pretty good, honestly. I've had one encounter where I saw a police car and that thing just did not do any beeps. As you can see, it says K for one of the radars. It says it picks up K, X, KA, and something else, but it has been really good at what it does, though. There's some false alarm, you know, like false trips, but it's not that crazy. So anytime I hear beep, I just slow down or just don't race until it eventually goes away if it is a false reading. If it's not, obviously you'll see a cop somewhere. Like right now, it's a false reading, probably because of this 18-wheeler right here. Right when I pass it, it might not beep. It's still beeping. But a lot of times these 18-wheelers, they'll pick up a false alarm because they're using radio waves as well. That's what I've noticed. But it works, man. It works like a charm. It's not gonna work 100% of the time, but even the greatest ones, like the really expensive ones that cost a few $100s, won't pick up sometimes either. So it's really good at what it's doing.